Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Asana login problems on PC. Many users face issues where Asana won't open, keeps loading, or shows login errors on desktop or browser. First, check your login details. Make sure your email and password are correct. Even small typing mistakes can stop login. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Asana needs a stable connection to load properly. Weak or unstable internet can cause login failure. Step 2, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache data can block Asana login. After clearing cache, restart your browser and try again. Step 3, try a different browser. Sometimes browser extensions or settings cause conflicts. Test Asana on Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Step 4, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or security extensions may block scripts. Temporarily disable them and refresh Asana. Step 5, check Asana service status. Rare server issues can affect login. Waiting a few minutes may solve the problem. Step 6, log out from all sessions. Go to Asana account settings and sign out from other devices. This resets login sessions. Step 7, reset your password. If login still fails, use forgot password to create a new one. This often fixes account-related issues. Finally, update your browser or Asana app. Outdated versions may cause compatibility problems. Always keep software updated. So yeah, fixing Asana login problems on PC is about checking credentials, clearing cache, testing browsers, disabling extensions, resetting sessions, and updating software. Follow these steps, and you should log in smoothly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.